Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Afterpay on Expedia. To get started, open the Afterpay app on your mobile device or visit the Afterpay website using your web browser. Once you are on the home screen, look at the search bar located at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type Expedia. As you type, a list of results will appear. When you see Expedia in the search results, click on it to continue. You may also see several other brands displayed on the screen. From the available options, find Expedia and click on it. After selecting Expedia, the Expedia website will open through Afterpay. You can now begin searching for your trip. Look for the search section on the page and enter the destination where you would like to travel. You can also choose your travel dates and the number of guests if needed. Once you have entered your information, click the search button. A new page will appear showing available hotels and rooms. Take your time to browse through the options and find the room that best matches your needs and budget. When you find a room you like, click on it to view more details. Review the room information carefully. If everything looks good, locate the Reserve Now button and click on it. This will take you to the checkout page where you can complete your booking. On the checkout screen, look for the payment options. Find the option that says Pay with Afterpay and select it. After that, follow the instructions displayed on your screen. You may need to sign into your Afterpay account and confirm your payment plan. Once the payment is approved and completed, your Expedia booking will be confirmed. That is how you can use Afterpay on Expedia to book your travel and spread your payments over time. Thanks for watching.